everyone, the Brazilian shaver aka Barba Tradicional here to show what has just arrived from the mail. I've just opened it and it came straight from Solingen in Germany. Was from Merkur, and I got this package. So it came with this coffee mug with a safety razor, also this shaving cream or shaving soap. It says unisex, and well, it's also a vegan base and very soft in the touch and also gentle in the fragrance. Very good. Also got 2 packs of blade, so each pack comes with 10 blades, and then 3 razors. So each razor comes with 1 blade in the pack, and the 3 razors that I got was, first of all, the Merkur 34C. This one I already have, but from what I could see, apparently they have redesigned something in the head, so something has changed. So it's a new generation Merkur 34C. So I'm gonna understand what were the changes and even eventually compare with my previous Merkur 34C. So that's the one. Also, well, let's say the cousin, which is the slant Merkur 37C. That's also a 2-piece. I'm gonna just unscrew the bottom and you can place the cap or the blade on the cap. And that's the slant razor. The Germans are known, if I'm not mistaken, for they were the ones who started the slant razors. And this is a classic model, and this inspired many other brands to do some slant razors as well. So I was eager to testing the Merkur 37C. And lastly, I got the Merkur Progress. This one is the adjustable razor, also a 2-piece. You unscrew the bottom and the cap also falls. When you put back on, just make sure that you're aligning the notch with this triangle on one side, and the other side, it's there's nothing. So make sure to align the correct way. And then you basically screw back in, and down here you have the dials to adjust the razor. So this is how it works, and I'm also very looking forward to testing it. The Merkur Progress also is a classic. I've seen many people using it, and yeah, I was eager to testing. So thank you very much to Merkur, and stay tuned for the next videos on my channel where I put those babies in action. Thanks for watching. Cheers.